ka Little Star High Secondary School Baridwari Boy District kalalong ka school ka pau khmat hari boy hadin ba uwe usamla puli ulawan shakmat bandrung haga top 20 jong ka result matric jong ka embos yaute ukhna latep kerteng kum Krishna Koirala ubalawan haka kerdan ka bakat nyau na pedengki arphongut bad ulayo star mark haki south subject but yo letter ya ka English but ka additional English Krishna Koirala ude ukhon jong Vishnu Koirala basong basa khandai mer Baridwari Boy District Uderu ubalayo eka kerdan beningkong haka Megaria Chemistry Olympiad balapenya daka USTM haus 6,000 arpuar. Habakran shaka DBMN TV nakaliang uni ukna ulapan paw ya kajing ngongu ka bakraw ya kinong hikai jongu bat kumju ru ya principal bat ka headmistress jong kani ka school bat ulakar padru ya kikhna baki deban minot haki jing puli deban kletchwa ya kijing ngobha perthai ladakwa ban kiu haki jing puli jongki bat ban yok het yauso ubakya.
I really want to congratulate the faculty members of Little Star Secondary School. It was the combined effect of our teaching staff and plus the student who has put everything on the track to achieve this position. It is not only the credit for a particular person, but it is a team effort. Until and unless we work together, we will not be able to secure good marks. No doubt, we are still not in that zone of highly securing position, but soon, very soon, we will upgrade ourselves and we really hope that we will find a better position and we will be consistently providing a position or so to say guidance to the student where they will be able to show their hidden talent, and we will keep on encouraging one another. This is just a message for the youngster where there was a myth that particular subject will be very tough or it is difficult to score good marks. Today we have proved something, and I really hope that this will be inspiring to other students and they will come up with brilliant dedication and they will produce a very good result in future. I am very proud and thank you once again to the teaching teacher, headmaster, headmistress and the boy himself who has put lot of effort in his studies. I am very grateful to all of you. Thank you.